Hello friends, it's me, your old pal Max West. I draw comics and I do children's picture books, and today is day 21 of the 30-day drawing challenge. I'm going to do something a little experimental here. I'm just going to try just drawing some basic, just some rough sketches. Just sketching someone here with a derby or a bowler hat. Yeah, I've been trying to come up with some more characters for Poison Ivy Gulch. Yeah, I've been thinking of a pair of bounty hunters. I have their personalities down. It's just, what they look like. That's what's stumping me. So I'll just play around here with a couple of different designs. No, not quite. Yeah, thinking up character designs, that's a bit difficult sometimes. I'm sort of like Akira Toriyama, the guy behind Dragon Ball and Dr. Slump. I like to watch a lot of television, a lot of cartoons, read a lot of books, go over comic strips and such, trying to find possible ideas. Yeah, bounty hunters would be a duo, mainly a hunter and his sidekick. Yeah, this is really stumping me here. I've already used some of the more cylindrical heads, like for that judge character I want to do. Was thinking of giving the bounty hunter a sort of top hat, maybe make it a bit crooked. Yeah, none of these designs. This is a bit different from what I usually do. I either draw an established character or I have a good idea of what it is that I want to do when I put pencil to paper. But yeah, this is going to take some more time to think over as well as come up with some other designs. Again, you're only limited by your imagination. That said, it is good to go look for inspiration. Yeah, none of these are working. I'll have to practice with some other ideas later. Again, when you're just sketching, it's just ideas. Sometimes a character in a sketchbook like here can inspire something later. Well, that's it for this day of the drawing challenge. Hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Until later, this is Max West saying goodbye.